A little rammer jammer. One more snap, one more give, and that is your ball game. And Alabama, a very solid 35-0 win over Arkansas State. The Red Wolves fall to 4-4 on the year. Number 2 ranked Alabama improves to 9-0.